Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by accessing Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, tap on display, and scroll down to click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. This way you can enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!